One of the hardest things that an Indian guy has to go through actually, is this experience of buying a condom. Because trust me, buying a condom is the hardest thing possible for an Indian guy. No pun intended at hard. Like here are a few facts about buying a condom. An Indian guy never buys a condom at his regular chemist store. He goes 2-3 kilometers away to some deserted looking chemist. And this might be the most deserted chemist in the history of humanity. But if you're there to buy a condom, it will be full of people. In fact, there'll be these few characters who will always be there. There'll be this fat, angry looking auntie. There'll be 2-3 teenage girls who are there to buy, what they buy. And there'll be 3-4 small little kids who are there to buy candies and all at a chemist store. And there you are to buy a condom. So what do? You do what any sane man would do. You try to kill time looking at strange medicines in the cupboard. Acha, combi flam, nice. But that's not helping. More and more people are coming in. So you decide to pump yourself up that health is a progressive society. I'll just walk up to the counter and ask for my condom. So you go all pumped up. But by the time you're there, it's all gone. And you manage in the weakest of whispers. And the chemist guy is like, Kya diya bhaiya? Now the chemist is one of the most sadistic buggers in the face of planet. Because trust me, he knows what you want. He knew it the moment you got your happy self inside the chemist store. And even when you're whispering, people don't really whisper when asking for health drinks. Show me one guy who's like, Complan does not happen. So he gave it another shot. You're like, bhaiya, condom de do. And the chemist guy is like, condom chahiye. By this time, everybody's staring angrily at you. The fat auntie is looking at you as if you're sleeping with her daughter. The 2-3 teenage girls have covered their breasts and all. And the 3-4 small little kids are going, hey, what is this condom, man? What is this condom, man? What is this condom? And there you are, buggered as hell. You just wanted to get over. You're like, bhaiya, jaldi de do. But the chemist guy is still not done. He's like, kaun sa wala chahiye? Type A, type B, or these new kinds, ultra thin. By this time you're so buggered, you're thinking, भाई जो देना है दे दे, चाहे तो पॉलीथीन बैग ही दे दे, उसी से काम चला लूंगा.